guys, my name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So welcome to festive series on my channel where I'm posting videos every single day. So if you have missed out on any of my previous uploads, go check them right away after watching this video. And also subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using only Indian brands. And this is going to be a glam makeup tutorial. So to begin with, I'm using Matra lip balm. This is their Kiwi variant. Next up for primer, I'm using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I'm just going to dab it on the areas wherein I have open pores. And for the rest of my face, I'm just going to spread it evenly. For foundation, I'm going to be using PAC HD Foundation. And I haven't even opened this yet. I haven't tried this yet. As you can see, it is sealed packed. I love the packaging of this. So I'm just going to open it right now. So that is how it looks like, and I love the packaging of it. It comes with a pump of its own. Okay, so I'm in the shade 2.3. I'm just going to take a pump of this foundation. And to apply my foundation, I'm using PAC 265 flat top brush. So firstly, I'm just dotting the foundation all over my face. And I'm just gonna blend it in circular motions. Can you see how beautiful that looks? It's given me a full coverage and I'm loving the finish of it. It's a perfect match for my skin tone. I just love how it looks on my skin right now. Next up for concealing, I'm going to be using Miss Lair Full Coverage Makeup. And I'm in the shade 4 Beige in this one. To apply my concealer, I'm using PAC Mini Sponge. I'm trying my best to use Indian makeup tools. So I'm just going to pick the concealer and then apply it under my eyes. Now to set my base in place, I'm going to be using Lakme Rose Powder. This is my favorite loose powder of all times. I'm using the same mini sponge for my under eyes. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using PAC 302 powder brush. I love the base makeup that's going on my face right now. It looks so flawless. I love this foundation. PAC HD Foundation has to be the best drugstore foundation out there. Now for bronzing my face, I'm going to be using Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. This is a very beautiful bronzer and I have their blush and their highlighter as well. I'm just going to take a little bit of that. And then so as you can see, it just looks so beautiful on the skin. It looks so natural on the skin. I love this bronzer. For blush, I'm going to be using Colorbar Cheek Illusion Blush and this is in the shade Coral Craving. This is a very beautiful blush and I recommend this one for brides as well, for the festive season as well, because it's got like tiny particles of shimmer, very tiny, but it just looks so good on the skin. It looks like you have a glow from within. So I'm using PAC 263 blush brush for this. That is how the brush looks like. Can you see how pretty the color is? It just looks so gorgeous and so natural. It looks like you have a glow from within going on. Next up for highlighting, I'm going to be using Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It's got two colors over there, so I'm going to mix both of the colors. And I'm in the shade 24 karat Glam 01. To highlight, I'm going to be using Arte PF14 brush. This is actually a powder brush, but I kind of like to use it for highlighting. It just looks so subtle and so natural on the skin. I love this highlighter so much. So I'm kind of going to build it up to a blinding sort of finish because I'm going for a bold glam look today. Can you see how beautiful that looks? I love this highlighter. So I love the glow that's going on my face right now. Can you see how beautiful my base makeup looks? I love Indian brands. Indian brands are really good. I don't know why we prefer foreign brands over Indian brands, but Indian brands are really good. There are some really good products from all of these brands. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to be using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade black, and I pretty much don't like this eyebrow pencil, but I don't have any other eyebrow product from an Indian brand, so I'm going to be using this one. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to be using some translucent powder again on my eyelid before I begin with the eyeshadow application. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Sugar Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade Disturbia. This has some really beautiful colors, and I feel like I have never used these kind of colors in my eye makeup tutorials, so I'm going to be using this palette today. So here I am up close and personal, and firstly I'm going to be using that grey color as a transition color, and to apply the eyeshadow I'm going to be using PAC 393 blending brush. Now I'm going to use that berry dark brown purplish color, and to apply it I'm using PAC 122 brush. This is a very dense blending brush. I'm going to concentrate the color in my outer corners and my crease. Now I'm going to pick up that electric blue color, which is a very beautiful blue color, and I'm going to be using my PAC 084 brush for it. This is a eyeshadow packing brush. So once that is done, I'm going to take my transition color again, and using my PAC transition brush, that is 393, I'm going to add some more transition color and blend everything in together. Now I'm gonna take that purple shimmer color and apply it right in the middle of my lid. Now to highlight my inner corners, I'm going to be using the same Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter, and I'm going to be using Colorbar pencil brush. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using Miss Claire Pearl eyeliner. This is in the shade Carbon Black. So after that is done, I'm going to be using Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal on my bottom waterline and my lash line. Now I'm just going to take that electric blue color again with my PAC 397 brush. This is a pencil blending brush. Now I don't have a mascara from an Indian brand. I had the Lakme one, but I kind of misplaced it. So I'm gonna skip that and move on to lashes. I'm gonna be using PAC M73 Lashes. So now that the eye makeup is complete, I'm going to move on to the final step of this makeup tutorial, that is applying a lipstick. Now I have lipsticks from a lot of Indian brands like Lakme, Colorbar, Miss Claire, etc. Nykaa even. But I'm going to stick to a different brand today. So I'm going to be using this MyGlamm lipstick, MyGlamm Butterlicious matte lipstick. I'm going to be using the shade Rose in this one. It has a very beautiful finish on the lips. I love the way these lipsticks feel on the lips. They have a very soft matte finish on the lips. And now finally, to set my makeup in place, I'm going to be using Miss Claire matte finish setting spray, and I'm going to be spritzing this all over my face. And now I'm just going to take a powder brush, that is my PAC 302, and I'm going to take a little bit of my rose powder and just dab it all over my face to mattify my face even further. So with that, I come to an end of this makeup tutorial. I tried to do something different today, something more colorful and more smoky and bold. I hope you like this makeup look so far. I am loving it. So let me know in the comment section below what you feel about this look, and also let me know if you want me to try doing more such glam bold looks. I would love to do them in the future. And I hope you found some good products from all of these Indian brands. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to take up any other makeup challenge or do a full face of makeup using a particular type of products. I would love to do that for you all. And yes, that's all about today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon besides it, so that you get notified about all of my upcoming videos in this festive series. So yes, that's all about today. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.